The World Health Organization (WHO) has appealed for immediate and concerted action to protect children from contaminated medicines after a recurring case of child death linked to cough syrups. Over the past 4 months, countries have reported on several incidents of over-the-counter cough syrups for children with confirmed or suspected contamination with high levels of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. In 2022, more than 300 children, mainly aged under 5, in Gambia, Indonesia, and Uzbekistan died of acute kidney injury in deaths that were associated with contaminated medicines, the WHO said in a statement. Based on country report, WHO has issued 3 global medical alerts addressing the incidents. The Global Health Organization reaffirmed its demand that the affected products linked to child mortality be taken off the market and expanded its call for nations to ensure that any medicine offered for sale has been approved by appropriate agencies. Additionally, it urged authorities to allocate funds for manufacturer inspections, bolster market oversight, and take appropriate action when necessary. Manufacturers were urged to test their products more thoroughly, only purchase raw materials from reputable vendors, and maintain records of the production process. WHO, however, promised to continue to work with the member state mechanism on substandard and falsified medical products in implementing its mandate to promote effective collaboration in the prevention, detection, and response to substandard and falsified medical products to save lives. Kamel Sadiq, CBA TV.